7, we go. Jump, step, step, jump, step, step, jump, step, step, jump, step, step. Try it again. Once again, a brush, take your toe, drag it off the floor, put it down, keep your weight on your left foot and put the foot back up. So we have 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, up, 7, 8. All one. Up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, 6, up, 7. Stay on the ball. Shuffle with your left foot. Shuffle. Leap and cross your right foot in front. Once again. Leap, shuffle, 2, good. Okay, we have leap, shuffle, ball change, change, step, step, leap, shuffle, ball change, leap, shuffle. Other foot. Place it out. Spin it back with the ball of your foot. Place it down. Heel is up. Now place it down. With 2 steps, try your left foot. Dig into the floor, push up onto the left foot, keeping the toe up, and come down into the floor. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, we go. 1, 2, ready, and. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8, we go, and a 2, 3, and a 4, 5, and a 6, ball. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. Let's try a little. Four, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 8, and a 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1. 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, we go. Step, step, go back, go back. Step, step, go back, go back. Step, step, go back, go back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll speed it up a little. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7.
Step, shuffle, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Single. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. Other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the way around. Good. Let's pick up the speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. All your wing sounds. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Plie on the scuff. Let's try it a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8.